Hi, welcome to the second lecture of robotics. In the last lecture, we learned about what a wired robot and how to create it. Now I'm gonna show some illustrations or tell you a little more about wired robots. Now let me draw the diagram once again. Here's the DPDT switch. Here's the second one. The back side of the DPDT switch. With all the ports or now this is the car. This is side view of the car. Now let us check its bottom view. I am not run the motors. It will make the diagram a little congested. So I am joining these two motors in series. Oh sorry, not in series, in parallel. I am joining these two motors in parallel. And this one is the one terminal. This one is the second terminal. Now one should know what is series and what is parallel in motors. If the motors are connected like this, this is the motor M1, M2. If they are connected like this is not the efficient way of drawing the power to motors or providing the power to motor, as both the motors are going to get different potential, and due to that they will not able to execute firmly together. That's why in this case, if you're gonna move to a little mathematically and scientifically, in this case your more power will be consumed, but they will be less efficient. But in parallel case, like this, if you are given if you give them power to voltage, they are gonna have a constant voltage among them, and they are both gonna execute their work constantly and efficiently with less power consumption and better efficiency. So in this case we have used parallel connections. One is the first terminal, this is the second terminal, same in this way. This is the second terminal, this is the first terminal. Let me name them. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Now here is a 9-volt battery. This is the positive side, this is the negative side. I have provided negative side to this and to this, and the positive end to this. Or let me first change the color of positive. positive and to this and to this. Sorry for the interruption. Here we are going to give positive terminal to this and to this, and negative one to this. Now as we know that we have already shouldered or connected these two diagonal terminals. Due to which this negative has come here. I am putting a green dot here and the green dot here, and red is for positive one, so I am giving it a positive here and positive here. Now I am going to use a different color. This is a DPDT switch on by default for both the cases. And now first we need to connect these ABCD terminals to this. Now I am using a gray color to connect these. Let me connect, let me call this the first one, this is the second one. I will connect A terminal here and B terminal here, C terminal here and D terminal here. Now we have completed the wire robot. Now let me tell you in a quick brief way how it's gonna work. When we switch both these, both 1 and 2 upwards, this DPDT switch is going to short with this, and in this case all this. Both now A will be given negative, this one positive. C will be also be negative, this one will be positive. Now they are parallel and both symmetry, they are gonna move forward. Now in the other case, if we push this switch, yellow one, to the lower terminal or backwards like this, it's gonna make the car reverse. As it's gonna change this, the negative will become positive, the positive will become negative, negative positive, positive negative. Now we have thought about how to go forward and how to go backward. Now if I move this first case switch upwards and leave the second one at rest, 0, then this is connected to AB. A will be given negative, this one will be given positive. Now these motor are going to rotate, this one is going to stay at the same place, due to friction it is going to move in this direction, and it is the right direction, right direction. And in other way, let me use a different color. If I'm gonna give it a 0 or no changes, it's gonna be default medium position, and it will be given a positive flip, then a negative here and positive here. These motors are gonna move forward and these are gonna be still here, so it's gonna move like this. That is left. Hence, by controlling these combinations, we can control a car by this 9-volt battery. Thank you. If you have created a DPDT car from this video. Please like and subscribe for more further videos. And then in the next video I'm going to discuss about wireless wireless car. As in this, the main disadvantage is these wires which are connecting the DPDT to the motors, which through which we are always need to go behind the car always, so that the connection remains continued. And thank you. If you like this video, you can please subscribe and share.